Are you looking for how to fix 100% disk usage issue in Windows 11 computer? Don't worry. So this is very quick and easy guide. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. At the first, you have to click on the search bar and search settings. And now click click in the Windows update and then check for update. You have to wait for a second, and after the update checking, if you find any pending update, you have to simply update your PC. And after that, close the settings. Now come to the second solution. Simply restart your PC. Click on the start menu, power button, and now click on the restart button. So after restart your computer, hopefully your problem will be solved. If you still find an issue, then come to the third solution. Click again search bar and search run, and now type services.msc, and now simply click S to come to the S section and find the option sysmain. After that, click on right click, and after that click on the right click, and now click on the properties, and from the startup type simply select disable it, and now click on apply and then OK, and right click again and click on stop. And now we have to search the second option. It's called connected device platform. Again, simply tap on C in the keyboard and find the connected device platform option. Again, right click on this option, simply click on properties and select disable from the startup type. Click on apply and then OK. Now close it. Now come to the fourth solution. Click on search bar again and search Task Manager. From here you have to reduce startup apps. Here you will get the startup option. Simply click on it, and from here you have to reduce unnecessary and unused app. So to doing this, simply right click on it and click on disable and close it. And next solution is clean junk file from your Windows PC. To doing this, simply click on the search bar and search disk cleanup. Here is the option, click on it. And from here you have to check mark these two options, downloaded program file and recycle bin, and then click on OK, and after that click on delete files. And the last and final solution is turn off schedule optimization. For doing this, simply open your file manager and come to the disk PC option and select the disk where your operating system is installed. Then right click on the particular disk and select properties, and now click on the tools. Now click on optimize and make sure schedule optimization is turned off, and then click on change setting, and you have to remove the checkmark run on a schedule, and then click on OK and click on exit. So that's it. I hope after that your 100% disk usage issue will be solved. If you still find any issue, write in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.